Next, question number 17, miscellaneous exercise again. Prove that sin 3x minus sin 2x, plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to 4 sin x into cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Okay, consider the left hand side. Let me group sin x minus sin x, sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x as it is. This is of the form sin c minus sin d. What is sin c minus sin d? 2cs, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 plus sin 2x as it is. 3x plus x, 4x by 2 means cos 2x, 3x minus x is 2x by 2 which is sin x. We have the formula for sin 2 theta as 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x. Now between these two we find 2 sin x common. If we take 2 sin x common, cos 2x plus cos x, cos 2x plus cos x. Now this is cos c plus cos d formula, cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d means 2cc, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 sin x into cos 3x by 2, cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. This is what the RHS we require. Next, question number 18, miscellaneous exercise. Prove that sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0 we need to prove. Consider the left hand side, that is sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x. Now this is of the form sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d means 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into sin x as it is plus again here also cos c minus cos d minus 2ss minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 into cos x into cos x. Now this is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 which is 2x, 3 minus 1, 2x by 2 that is cos x into sin x we have minus 2 into sin 3 plus 1, 4x by 2 which is 2x sin x into cos x. Observe this. Is it not the same? So 2 sin x, sin 2x, 2 sin 2x, cos x, sin x. So both are one and the same. It is nothing but 2, I write it in order, sin 2x into sin x into cos x minus 2 sin 2x into sin x into cos x. Both are one and the same. These two gets cancelled. We are left with RHS. Okay, is equal to 0. Hence the result. Next, question number 19, miscellaneous exercise again. Prove that cos x plus cos y the whole square plus sin x minus sin y the whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y divided by 2. It's there in the model question paper. Okay, so let us take the left hand side to prove the RHS. Okay. Consider the left hand side. Cos x plus cos y the whole square plus sin x minus sin y the whole square. This is equal to cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d means 2cc. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 the whole square plus sin c minus sin d 2cs 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 the whole square. Okay. Now this is equal to 2 cos x. 2 square means a b c whole power m. A power m, b power m, c power m, So now this is 2 square, which is 4. Cos theta whole square means cos square theta. Cos square x plus y by 2 into cos square x minus y by 2. Cos square x minus y by 2 plus 2 square means 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into sin square x minus y by 2. Now between these two terms I just take 4 cos square x plus y by 2 common. 4 cos square x plus y by 2 common means we are left with cos square x minus y by 2 plus sin square x minus y by 2. This is of the form cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? It is nothing but 1. So that this is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into 1. Okay. So that is 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Cos square x plus y by 2, which is the RHS. Hence the result. Question number 20, miscellaneous exercise again. Prove that almost same problem. Take the left hand side. Cos x minus cos y the whole square plus sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y the whole square. Now cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d means minus 2ss minus 2 sine c plus d by 2, c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. The whole square we have, I just write the whole square as it is, plus sine c minus sine d formula. So which is 2 cos 2 cs 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2, sine c minus d by 2, the whole square, minus 2 square means 4 sine square x plus y by 2 into sine square x minus y by 2 plus 2 square 4 cos square theta, that is cos square x plus y by 2 into sine square x minus y by 2, sine square x minus y by 2. So for between these two, sine square x minus y by 2 common, for sine square x minus y by 2 common. So in the first term we are left with sine square x plus y by 2 plus cos square x plus y by 2. So again cos square theta plus sine square theta, which is 1. Okay, this is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, 4 times sine square x minus y by 2 into 1, which is 4 times sine square x minus y by 2. That is what the RHS we want. Next question, miscellaneous worked problem. It's a very good question. Prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 we need to prove. So Bangalore South Zone 2014 paper in 5 mark section. Consider the left hand side, that is cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3. Okay, we have the formula cos 2 theta in terms of cos is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Shift minus 1 to the other side, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 is equal to cos square theta. So cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So we can write this as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2 into x plus pi by 3 cos 2 theta divided by 2, cos 2 theta divided by 2, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Again this is 1 plus cos 2 into theta means x minus pi by 3 divided by 2. Okay, so I just take 1 by 2 common. Cos square theta, cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. See this theta, 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 by 2 I'll take common. If I take 1 by 2 common, 1 plus cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 2 into this 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus 1 plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3, 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3. See, this is of the form cos C plus cos D formula. Tell me what is cos C plus cos D? 2cc. That is 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2. Cos C plus D by 2. Here minus 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3 gets cancelled into cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D. C minus D means minus 2x minus of minus plus 2 pi by 3 divided by 2. Divided by 2. I just apply cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus of this means minus 2x plus 2 pi by 3. 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Now we are left with 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 into 2x plus 2x 4x divided by 2, that is cos 2x. And here 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3 means 4 pi by 3 divided by 2, that is cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3. Okay, 2 times 2 pi by 3, 2 gets cancelled, 2 pi by 3. See, I just simplify. Cos 2 pi by 3 can be written as cos of pi minus pi by 3. Do you agree? Take the LCM. 3 pi minus pi means 2 pi by 3 only. This is of the form cos of 180 plus minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta is the second quadrant minus cos pi by 3, which is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Cos 2 pi by 3 is minus 1 by 2. So that 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x into minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Plus into minus minus cos 2x. This is plus cos 2x. Plus 3. So 3 plus cos 2x minus cos 2x gets cancelled. 1 by 2 into 3 means 3 by 2. That is what the RHS we want. Okay. So this is a good question. So practice it properly. Miscellaneous one. Prove that 2 cos pi by 3 into cos pi by 13, 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 equals 0. Consider the left hand side to prove the RHS. 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus this is, let me write this as 5 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13. I just group these two, which is of the form cos c plus cos d, that is 2cc, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So we can write this as, you just rewrite this, cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus 2cc, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is equal to 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus 2 times 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 2 means 4. That is cos 4 pi by 13 into cos 5 minus 3 means 2. 2 by 2 gets cancelled. We are left with pi by 13. Now 9 pi by 13 is common. Okay. So if you take 2 cos pi by 13, you can apply cos c plus cos d formula, one thing, or else, see this, I just write this as cos 9 pi by 13. 9 pi by 13 can be written as cos pi minus 4 pi by 13. Do you agree? 13 minus 4 means 9 only. 13 pi minus 4 pi. 13 pi minus 4 pi means 9 pi by 13, which is of the form cos of 180 minus theta, which is minus cos theta. Minus cos theta, second quadrant, you know. So in place of this, 2 times cos pi by 13 into minus cos 4 pi by 13. Agree? Plus retain that 2 cos 4 pi by 13 into cos pi by 13. So since cos 9 pi by 13 is pi minus 4 pi by 13 minus cos 4 pi 13. This is minus 2 times cos 4 pi by 13 into cos pi by 13 plus 2 times cos 4 by 13 into cos pi by 13. This is positive, this is negative, gets cancelled. That is what the RHS we want, is equal to 0. Or else between these two you take cos pi by 3 common. So cos c plus cos d formula you apply, you get the same thing. Okay. Next, show that cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15, cos 14 pi by 15 is equal to 1 by 16. 2015 North Zone appeared in 5 mark. It's a beautiful concept. Take the left hand side to prove the RHS. A bit unusual problem. Please learn this concept. It's very important, particularly for MCQs. See here, cos theta we have 2 sin theta. If I take 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta. 2 into 2 pi by 15 means 4 pi by 15. That's why cos theta, theta here is 2 pi by 15, you know. So multiply and divide. Multiply and divide by 2 sin 2 pi by 15. Multiply and divide by 2 sin 2 pi by 15. I just divide 2 sin 2 pi by 15. To balance it, I just multiply. If you collect this along with cos 2 pi by 15, that becomes sin 2 theta formula. Rewrite the remaining terms. So we have the formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, you know. So we can write this as 2 sin theta into cos theta, nothing but sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. 2 into theta is 2 pi by 15, you know. So that is 4 pi by 15. Here also 4 pi by 15 we have. Now 2 sin theta into cos theta. I want 2. So multiply and divide by multiply and divide by 2. This becomes 1 divided by 2. Already we have 4 sin 2 pi by 15 as it is. So 2 sin 4 pi by 15 into cos. I just collect this together. Cos 4 pi by 15. These two as it is. 8 pi by 15 into 14 pi by 15. Again this is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta means 4 pi by 15. And the remaining terms as it is. 8 pi by 15 into 14 pi by 15. And here we have 4 sin 2 pi by 15. Again this is sin 8 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15. We can collect these two. If I multiply and divide by 2, again this becomes sin 2 theta. Again multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. So this becomes 1 divided by 4 into 2, 8. 8 sin 2 pi by 15 into 2 sin 8 pi by 15. I just collect cos 8 pi by 15 together into cos 14 pi by 15 we have. Again 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2 theta, you know. 2 into 8 pi by 15 sine 2 theta cos 14 pi by 15. One divided by 8 into sine 2 pi by 15. Okay. So 16, this is 8 into 2, 16. Fine. That is equal to 16 pi by 15 we have. Here 14 pi by 15 we have. 8 into sine 2 pi by 15. Okay. So 16 can be written as pi plus pi by 15. Check this. 15 plus 1, 16 pi by 15. Whereas cos pi minus pi by 15. Pi minus pi by 15. This is in the third quadrant, negative. The second quadrant, that is also negative. So 1 by 8 into sine 2 pi by 15. This is sine minus sine pi by 15. And here also minus cos pi by 15. Okay. So now multiply and divide by 2 again. Multiply and divide by 2. So 8 into 2, 16 sine 2 pi by 15 into 2 sine theta into cos theta. 2 sine theta into cos theta. Isn't it? I just multiplied 2 by 16 means 8 only. This is again sine 2 theta formula. Sine 2 pi by 15. Sine 2 theta. Here 1 by 16 into sine 2 pi by 15. Sine 2 pi by 15 into sine 2 pi by 15 gets cancelled. We are left with 1 by 16, which is RHS. Okay. So it's a very good question. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply and divide by 2 sine 2 pi by 15 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Just to convert that to sine 2 theta. That's it. Okay. It's a beautiful concept. Please learn this concept. 24th one. Exemplar worked. Find the value of cos pi by 5, cos 2 pi by 5, cos 4 pi by 5, cos 8 pi by 5. See, this is given, you know. I'll apply the same concept. Multiply and divide by 2 cos pi by 2 sin pi by 5. 2 sin pi by 5. So this is equal to 1 divided by 2 sin pi by 5. To balance it, I just multiply with the same quantity. Cos pi by 5. I just collect cos pi by 5 with 2 sin pi by 5 into cos 2 pi by 5, cos 4 pi by 5, into cos 8 pi by 5. Now this is sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta, So this is equal to 1 divided by 2 sin pi by 5 into sin 2 theta. 2 into theta means pi by 5, Along with this, I just collect cos 2 pi by 5 and the remaining two terms as it is. Cos 4 pi by 5 into cos 8 pi by 5. So I just multiply and divide by 2. This becomes 4. Multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. This becomes 1 divided by 4 sin pi by 5. This is again sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 into pi by 5 means 4 pi by 5. Along with this, I take cos 4 pi by 5 together. Again multiply and divide by 2 into cos 8 pi by 5 as it is. Here also multiply and divide by 2. So 2 and this 2. This is again 2 sin theta into cos theta, Sin 2 theta. 2 into 4 means 8 pi by 15. So this is 1 divided by 8 sin pi by 5 cos 8 pi by 5 is there. Okay. So again multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. We get 1 divided by 16 sin pi by 5 into 2 sin 8 pi by 5 into cos 8 pi by 5. This is again sin 2 theta formula. I just write here only. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 16 sin pi by 5. This is 2 theta means 16 pi by 5. Sin 16 pi by 5. 16 pi by 5 can be written as sin of pi plus 5 3 times, that is 3 pi plus pi by 5. 5 into 3, 15 plus 1, right? Into 1 divided by 16 sin pi by 5. So this is, where does this lies? This is pi, 2 pi, 3 pi plus something, somewhere in the third quadrant. It is negative. So minus sin pi by 5. Minus sin pi by 5. 1 by 16 into sin pi by 5 we have, sin pi by 5, sin pi by 5 gets cancelled. Minus 1 by 16 is the value of the given expression. Okay, minus 1 by 16 as the answer.